to United Nations, Green Thinker Society, world educators, social welfare volunteers, and all the people who helps humanity to overcome the hurdles and engraving humanity to the highest level of their existence. I, Mohammad Arif Abdul Rahim Sheikh, 10th graduate science teacher from HMW English High School, and today I am advocating United Nations 17th Sustainable Development Goal, the global goal. As we all know that on September 2015, 193 countries together come and take an oath that they will follow United Nations 17th Sustainable Development Goal, that is no poverty, zero hunger, health and well-being, quality of education and other important goals. As I am educator, I am emphasis on the quality of education. As we all know that due to the corona, all our life activities is stopped or facing a lots of hurdles. As an educator, it is our duty to overcome these hurdles. And as an educator, we have to reach each and every students which are deprived from the educations. It is our moral duty that the 30% of the students who are not able to join the online class will be join this. But we are become restless in the corona regions. We try different method to reach our student. First we try SMS methods to send the students details. Then we started the Google Classroom, Google Meet and different object and different softwares. As a United Nations goals, we have to see that not only the education but also the people's mind, the people's behavior and the students' development is must. As we're talking about my progress, I would like to say that this year is not as great as any others, but it is not an issue. What is important? It is your behavior. What is your how you facing the any pandemic? How you facing any kind of situation? I completed 150 plus course in these COVID regions, just not for me, but for to give the good quality of education. I attend more than 100 plus webinars so that I can give a quality education, and most of the important is the knowledge of that student. At the end, what we are talking about, what we are giving to our children as a United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, and in the futures, our plan is to provide a students a platform. Not as a teacher, we are not as a teacher, we are act as a facilitator, as a guide, and teach and student and let the student learn their own curriculum with their own pace. From this dice, we HMW English High School, under the leadership of our chairman, Mr. Haji Abdul Had Khan sir, our school in charge, Raju sir, Abdul Wahid Sheikh sir, our school principal, Miss Manisha Surve, we and our all colleagues and most of the important our school students now take oath that we follow the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals not only to fulfill our education needs but also to fulfill the students all other criteria. As we know that all these criteria is important and all these criteria are related. If you are not getting a good education, you are not going beyond the poverty line. You can get rid of the hungers if you get a good quality of education. So we emphasize students. So we are trying students to get involved in the many activities, not only in the essay, not only in the drawing or not only in the poster making competition, but also we are emphasizing students to take part in the scientific events. Our students have won many goals also, many awards also. Their mind level is also going to changing. As till that I am joining from this school, I try to take this scientific level of the student to a high level. Let them student things what they are learning, not just for the marks. Nowadays, students are not learning according to the marks. They learn according to the knowledge. They are getting the extra knowledge. If I giving her one example, our students giving 100 of example. This should be improved in each school. So from this stage, I thanks United Nations and the Green Thinker Society to given me a platform so that I can elaborate my future goal plans. So from now, HMW English High School going to develop a very beautiful garden. The garden which is based on the technology, not based on the traditional method. So we are going to emphasize the student. We are going to involve the students, and we are going to involve the students in many activities. We have done the many activities in the past, and also we are trying to achieve a many more activity in the futures, just to develop the students. So we are teaching many many words to the students, but I just want to now spell one word, that is LOVE, love. Love toward the environment, love toward the education, love their tradition, love towards their tradition, love towards their parents and the teachers. So from this month, I request all of you to follow the United Nations 17 Sustainable Goal. We are divided as a nation, but we are united as one, United Nation. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye.